When I was a beginner, I heard and I read through every verb, but I didn't know what is this. If you are like me, watch this video. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Panyan and I'm so happy that you choose me for watching this video. Today, I want to teach you where we can use true to improve our English and become more professional. The first one shows and indicates a movement that happens from one side of a place to another side of that. For example, yesterday I was cycling through the park. It means I moved, for example, from the first of the park to at the end of the park. Okay, I was passing through the park. It means I moved from one side of the park to another side of the park. The second one, it's a situation where we want to talk about blood or any other types of relationships. For example, my sister and my friend are related through me. It means they know each other because of me. Or even we can say my cousins are related through my uncle. It means they know each other, they are related together, they have a relationship because of my uncle. Or if, for example, in the first example, if there's no me in the world or there's no uncle in the world, they can't know each other, they're not related anymore together and there's no relationship between them. Another situation that we can use true in is when we want to talk about a period of time. For example, I was studying Sunday through Wednesday. It means I was studying on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And during this time, in these days, I wasn't working, I wasn't on vacation, I was just studying. It wants to show a period of time. The next situation is when we want to talk about spreading some kinds of news. For example, I got to know the news through my friends. It means my friends come to me and say everything and say all of the news, and now I know everything and all the news, okay? It means they say to me, I know it through my friends. The next situation is from beginning to the end. For example, I was crying through the book. It means the book and the story of this book is a sad story, it's a tragedy. And while I was reading this book, I was crying from beginning to the end. Another situation is because or due to something or somebody. For example, it was all through me that we could succeed. It means we could succeed because of me, or if I wasn't there, we couldn't succeed. And the last situation that I want to teach you that we can use true in it is when we want to talk about a set of conditions. For example, I went through a torture yesterday. It means bad things happened to me yesterday. Bad things, there's not one thing, there was many different things that happened to me yesterday. This video is finished and you learn many different situations that you can use true in it. And don't forget, if you learn, to subscribe my channel, like this video, and introduce me to your friends because I always need your help for my videos. Bye bye!